They're also zinc-plated. They're not just ordinary steel. They won't rot underneath the foundation. Two per pile. Well, that's it. Obvyaz is finished. Absolutely done. As you can see, even with warped, bent material and cheap material, it still turned out pretty damn good. Pretty straight. There's not much problem there. It's taken me approximately 5 days, but some of those days I was working 16 hours to get it finished up. The cost of it is 5 cube of timber at 150 by 50 millimeters. One, it's not even a full roll of roofing felt, which goes on top of the piles, between the pile and the timber piece. It's not even about half a roll of that, which cost me, would work out to about 400 rubles. Nails I used were 90mm quick fire nails, and I used approximately 3,000, just over 3,000 nails, about 17 kilograms of nails to do this. The cost of that is about 4,500 rubles. So far it's coming in pretty economic. I just stumped my toe on a blooming thing there. So, all finished. Tomorrow on with the laying out of the terrace there and putting in the stairs up to the terrace. I'm not sure what you would call that in English. Is it a decking? Is it a veranda? A veranda, maybe? Let me know what you think in the comments. What should we call this? In Russian, it's terrace. In English, I think it would be a veranda. What do you think? Tell me in the comments.